मोहम्मद यूनिस तोहफा गिफ्ट कर रहा है किताब, there's a book, उसमें पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ बांग्लादेश.
Are they daydreaming or what?
No, they're doing everything right. We are daydreaming that बदल जाएंगे. मैंने कहा था last time, North East also needs a beach. Goa is too far away. Let's take Chittagong hill tracks. अपना पूरा port Chittagong port आ जाएगा ना. So who will support Bangladesh? Pakistan. The Pakistan generals are in Chittagong, in Dhaka. आज के दिन, as I speak, they are there, and they are saying they're doing medical relief. There are Hindu Bengalis who are there, who just want India to help them. We will teach Bangladesh a lesson. But government of India को लगता है कि मोहम्मद यूनिस या खालिद जिया सडनली ठीक हो जाएगी. नहीं होगा. फरवरी में इलेक्शन होगा, उसके बाद जो भी सरकार निकलेगा बांग्लादेश में वो एंटी इंडिया होगा.
अगर बांग्लादेश एग्रेशन जो अभी दिखा रहा है, अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है, अगर भगवान ना करे कि कोई युद्ध हो जाए, ऐसा कुछ हो जाए, then Tripura shares a very big boundary with Bangladesh. So how do you see that, the aggression from?
That is what I've been trying to tell the government of India. The problem is that politicians want Bengalis and Tripuris to fight with each other. But मेरा कहना है कि Tripuris and Bengalis should come together and ठोको पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश. Nobody cares about us. मैं इसके लिए अपने मणिपुर में बोलता हूँ. मणिपुर में कुकी, नागा, मैतेई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हुआ, सब लोग दिल्ली भाग रहे हैं कि दिल्ली सॉल्व करेगा. कोई परवाह नहीं करता दिल्ली में. ओ यू आर चाइनीज, यू आर मोमो, यू आर बहादुर, यू आर चिंकी. यू नो अरुणाचल के लोग आर मोर, they are braver than the people of rest of India.
Yeah, actually
एक चाइनीज को घुसने नहीं दिया.
China is an occupying force and we share the border with Tibet, and if you go to Arunachal you will see in the bordering areas जब China aggression दिखाता है, the Arunachalis are the first one to respond.
लेकिन इंडियंस क्या बोलते हैं अरुणाचलीज को या नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न्स को? चाइनीज बिहार में पहुंच गया बांग्लादेशी तो सब लोग बोल रहे कि हमारे खतरे में है बिहार, SIR. What is happening in our part of the world? Who is stopping them? The indigenous people of Northeast. I think we Northeasterners are very emotional people.
Yeah.
What makes us together is our emotions, and also what divides us is our emotions. अरे मैं भी हिंदू हूँ भाई, लेकिन हिंदू धर्म एक क्षेत्र में अलग होता है. जो ब्राह्मण वेजिटेरियन होता है नॉर्थ इंडिया में, बंगाल में मटन खाता है, मच्छी खाता है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में मीट खाता है, साउथ इंडिया में कुछ और खाता है. But these people want to put one line of cultural imperialism. Not acceptable यार.
Because बीजेपी के साथ आप लोगों का थोड़ा अभी रिश्ता ठीक नहीं लग रहा है मुझे.
नहीं, मैंने शादी तो नहीं किया ना, रिश्ता नहीं है, ये अलायंस है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ तिपरासा कॉल. लेकिन तिपरासा नौकर नहीं है, और जब तक मैं हूँ तिपरासा त्रिपुरा का नौकर नहीं रहेगा.
So क्यों होने नहीं दे रहा बीजेपी जो ये कोकबोरॉक स्क्रिप्ट?
I just want to tell through your medium that you see the people who are stopping the implementation of the script that we want.
People as in the chief minister?
The people.
Will you mention it somewhere? कि I just had a chat with a young journalist from Assam.
I'll take a picture of you and put it on my Instagram. See, देखो. He said that I'm not that young. Now he's himself quoting that a young journalist.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू इंडिया टुडे एनी. दिस इज रिजॉय दास कानूनगो. और आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं. हमेशा हमारे साथ स्पेशल गेस्ट होते हैं, लेकिन आज के जो गेस्ट हैं वो एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल हैं. हमारे साथ हैं प्रद्योत माणिक्य देव वर्मा जी फ्रॉम द रॉयल हाउस ऑफ त्रिपुरा, महाराजा श्री श्री प्रद्योत देव माणिक्य.
Perfect. It is perfect. In fact, don't add Shri because वो तब आप श्री रविशंकर के उस तरफ जाते. जस्ट कॉल मी प्रद्योत माणिक्य और बाकी सब चीज़ इज ऑल राइट. जस्ट कॉल मी प्रद्योत माणिक्य, गुड इनफ. आई वॉन्ट यू टू बी कंफर्टेबल.
इंडिया टुडे एनी फॉलो करते हैं आप?
मैं फॉलो करता हूँ, रेगुलरली फॉलो करता हूँ.
कैसा लगता है इंडिया टुडे एनी?
इंडिया टुडे एनी नॉर्थ ईस्ट को ठीक तरीके से कवर कर रहा है, क्योंकि इससे पहले क्या होता था कि हमें मिलता नहीं था न्यूज़. यू नो, ओनली त्रिपुरा कवर्ड त्रिपुरा, शिलोंग टाइम्स कवर्ड शिलोंग, Assam covered only Assam, but at least now you're going out of the way. Are you from Assam?
Yeah, I'm from Assam.
So Assam chai.
Yeah, lovely.
Not Darjeeling. If you were from Darjeeling, I would have offered you Darjeeling chai.
आपके पास दार्जिलिंग टी का भी स्टॉक है?
दार्जिलिंग का है, सीलोन का है, श्रीलंका का जो है. देन उर्लुंग टी है, मतलब कि पूरे दुनिया का चाय का कलेक्शन
So
मेरे
you're
पास है।
tea lover.
आई लव टी।
Coffee?
कॉफ़ी ऑल राइट, अभी शुरू किया कॉफ़ी, ब्लैक कॉफ़ी खाने के लिए, पीने के लिए। हम लोग तो खाते हैं
खाते
ना।
हैं।
हम तो पानी भी खाते हैं, खाना भी खाते हैं। तो लेकिन पर्सनली आई प्रेफर टी मोर देन कॉफ़ी।
So जब हमने आपके बारे में थोड़ा रिसर्च करना स्टार्ट किया, दो एवरीथिंग अबाउट यू इज अवेलेबल ऑन पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल से दैट यू आर एन ओपन बुक, बट स्टिल जब हमने थोड़ा
वी आर
बहुत
इन अ लाइब्रेरी, सो इट्स ओपन बुक, बुक्स आर ऑल ओवर।
और बहुत पुराने बुक्स भी हैं एज यू मेंशन। एनीवेज, जब हमने लोगों से आपके बारे में थोड़ा बातचीत करना शुरू किया, जितने भी लोगों से हमने बात किया, सबने एक चीज़ कॉमन बताया आपके बारे में कि यू आर वेरी इजी टू रीच आउट। ये जो चीज़ है इजी टू रीच आउट, बीइंग अ रॉयल, देखिए हमारा जो परसेप्शन है राजाओं का, तो हमारा परसेप्शन यही होता है कि राजा जी आने से पहले एटलीस्ट 10 जन आएंगे, उसके बाद उस 10 जन के बाद और 10 जन आएंगे, फिर राजा जी का एंट्री होगा, शहनाई बजेगा, पूरा शहरों में डिंडोरा पीटा जाएगा, उसके बाद राजा जी आएंगे। बट एवरीवन सेड दैट यू आर वेरी इजी टू गेट इन टच विद। ये जो चीज़ है, इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं?
आई थिंक इट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट, नो?
Yeah.
You and me are, I can say this in camera, you and me, we interact on Instagram.
Yeah.
तो मेरा Instagram अकाउंट मैं खुद हैंडल करता हूँ, Facebook अकाउंट मैं खुद हैंडल करता हूँ, ट्विटर में मैं फाइट भी सबसे अपने ट्विटर के हैंडल से करता हूँ या रीच आउट करता हूँ। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ज़िंदगी में मैंने अपने पिताजी से एक चीज़ सीखा। आई लर्न वन थिंग फ्रॉम माई फादर। यू नो, he was actual Maharaja, not me. And he was also a member of parliament, a very dignified man. He would come to St. Edmunds to pick me up from my school in Shillong. And he would drive himself, not one security, no police convoy. He would come and wait in the corner when I was playing cricket or football. And he would sit there for hours and hours, and he would come on his own. We would go to Police Bazaar and buy newspaper. उस समय telegraph एक दिन बाद आता था. And we would go together. So I never saw my father with all the paraphernalia that you associate with so-called Maharajas. Maybe because we are from the Northeast. But I think this is my strength also. That you can reach out to me and we can communicate. And because I have so many friends who are from the Northeast, I understand what a Northeasterner or a person from this region knows and feels.
एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई फील ये जो हमारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट का कल्चर है, आई एम फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट एज वेल, नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जो कल्चर है, जो लोगों में एक कनेक्ट है, दैट समथिंग विच इज़ इनबिल्ट इन द पीपल ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट। एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली वो जो एक तू जानता है मैं कौन हूँ या मेरा बाप कौन है, ये जो एटीट्यूड है, ये नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न्स में थोड़ा कम है।
मैं गया था लटन्स दिल्ली में। लटन्स दिल्ली, यू नो, इज़ द बिगेस्ट ऑर्फनेज। क्योंकि जब भी मैं जाता हूँ, मैं जिस लोगों से मिलता हूँ, बोलता तू जानता मेरा बाप कौन है? शायद अनाथ होंगे, राइट? टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई थिंक वी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्नर्स आर वेरी इमोशनल पीपल. What makes us together is our emotions, and also what divides us is our emotions. But I think अगर हम we focus on a positive, on the things which are similar, I think we will become a very strong force in the future. But there are many people which don't want Northeast to come together. क्योंकि अगर हम बटे रहेंगे तो हमारा रिसोर्सेज, हमारा महत्व, हमारा इम्पोर्टेंस नेशनल लेवल में कम रहेगा. और जिस दिन हम एक हो गए ना, 100% नहीं होंगे, 80% होंगे, 75% होंगे, उस दिन नॉर्थ ईस्ट को पूरा दुनिया अलग नज़रिए से देखेगा.
एक टाइम पे आप बहुत क्रोधित भी थे, बहुत एंगर इश्यूज भी थे आपके, एज आई मेंशन्ड दैट.
एक टाइम में, अभी भी गुस्सा हूँ. एल्बर्ट पिंटो को गुस्सा क्यों आता है? नहीं, बट इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू हैव एंगर, बट इट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट टू हैव हेट्रेड इन योर हार्ट. एंगर इज गुड, हेट्रेड इज नॉट गुड. So I don't hate anyone, but I do have a passion and a desire to fight for my people, and I will keep on doing it.
But ये चीज़ आपने बहुत important mention किया है, anger and hatred. Like in politics, anger and hatred. ये जो चीज़ है, इन दोनों में जो एक thin line होता है, वो line अभी.
Anger also probably passion is the right word.
Yes, passion.
But not obsession. और पॉलिटिक्स में आप क्यों आए हो? मैं जानता हूं मैं क्यों आया हूं. बहुत लोग जानते कि वो क्यों आए, लेकिन उनको जस्टिफाई करने के लिए वो कुछ और बोलेंगे, लेकिन मैं जानता हूँ कि मैं पॉलिटिक्स में क्यों आया हूँ और उसके लिए मेरा जो बिहेवियर है, जो मेरा बोलने का तरीका है, जो मेरा कमिटमेंट है टुवर्ड्स माई रीजन, माई पीपल इज़ वेरी क्लियर and I'm not scared of anyone, because as long as I'm fighting for my poor people and as long as I am doing the right thing, what my heart says is right, I will not be judged by Mr. A, B or C in Delhi. I'll be judged by God when I die, and I'm only answerable to the one above and not to these political leaders who may be important today,
And to your
but
people.
my people I'm responsible,
Okay.
but I'm not answerable to the leaders sitting in Delhi, any leaders. I am responsible for my people and I am answerable for my actions to the Almighty God. And as long as I know that I am doing the right thing, I will ask you, I may be wrong, you may correct me,
Yeah.
I'll admit it. But my overall desire and motive should not be self-driven. तो ये बहुत क्लियर है। और डरना क्या है यार, एक जिंदगी है, डर डर के रहोगे तो जिस दिन से आप डरे उसी दिन से मर गए। अगर जिंदगी जीना है तो अपने बलबूते में जियो, रिस्पॉन्सिबल रहो, नफरत मत करो, लेकिन जो आपको ठीक लगता है वो आप करो, एंड आई एम डूइंग दैट।
So tell me about this One Northeast. ये जो आपका नया जो प्लान है, जो many of the leaders of Northeast you have come together under one banner, One Northeast. Just tell us about your plans and what exactly is this One Northeast. Though we had we have an idea.
What's your idea?
जैसा हमको डैनियल जी ने एक्सप्लेन किया है, आपके ही टीम मेंबर है, जैसे कि you want to get every culture, every tribes under one banner and become one voice, singular voice for the Northeast.
See, I'll tell you something. I'll go back and give you an explanation.
Yeah.
AGP used to rule Assam. You're from Assam, right? Where is AGP today? At one point, Hagrama has won this time. But at one point, Pramod Boro, Hagrama, Anjali Daimari, they were fighting with each other.
Each other, yeah.
Who was making them fight? Karbi Anglong, right? They have all the resources. Dimasa Hasao, everything below the earth. They're so rich in minerals, in limestone. I mean, everything is there. But the people are still poor. Kyun? Because आसाम को एक सम पॉइंट में डिवाइड किया गया। आसाम जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का सबसे पावरफुल स्टेट था, आज उनको दिल्ली का बात सुनना पड़ता। एक टाइम दिल्ली को अटेंशन पे करना पड़ता था जब आसाम एजिटेशन हो रहा था कि आसाम के दिल में क्या है। मेघालय, you had leaders like P.A. Sangma, William Sangma, G.G. Swell, Peter Marbanyang, Patty Ripple-Kindia, so many great leaders, right? Ba Hopping Stone Lingdao. आज मेघालय में Delhi is trying to dictate. Before also, now also. Manipur, one of the oldest kingdom in the country, older than Jaipur, older than Jaisalmer, older than many of ये जो ग्वालियर वादी से तो 10 टाइम ज़्यादा पुराना है मणिपुर किंगडम। कांगलेई पाक, हम लोग तखेल थे उनके लिए, हमारे लिए कांगलेई पाक। आज क्या हो रहा है वहाँ में?
Yes.
तो क्यों हो रहा है ये? इसके लिए हो रहा है सब, इसके लिए हो रहा है क्योंकि वी आर नॉट यूनाइटेड। तो मुझे लगा आज पूरे इंडिया में एक लॉबी बन रहा है। 2026-27 में डिलिमिटेशन होगा, पार्लियामेंट्स में सीट बढ़ेंगे। साउथ इंडिया बोल रहा है क्योंकि उनका संख्या पॉपुलेशन इज लेस। साउथ इंडिया इज सेइंग दैट वी शुड बी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द इकोनॉमी। हम हिंदुस्तान को ज़्यादा पैसा देते हैं, इसके लिए इकोनॉमी के हिसाब से हमारा सीट बढ़ना चाहिए। नॉर्थ इंडियन ब्लॉक का एक सोच है कि नहीं, पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से सीट बढ़नी चाहिए। अब यू कम टू नॉर्थ ईस्ट, हमारा संख्या कम है, अभी तक हमारा इकोनॉमी डेवलप इतना नहीं हुआ जितना साउथ इंडिया का। देन व्हाट डू वी नेगोशिएट विद द रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया? हम बोलेंगे कि नॉर्थ इंडिया का बढ़ गया ऑन पॉपुलेशन, साउथ इंडिया का इकोनॉमी का, नॉर्थ ईस्ट क्या बोल रहा है? हम बोलेंगे वही जो हमारा लीडर दिल्ली में बोल रहा है? नहीं, वी हैव टू स्पीक फ्रॉम आवर पोजिशन ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ। वी आर सराउंडेड इन वन साइड बाय चाइना, भूटान, म्यांमार, Bangladesh. We are landlocked. Our geography of Northeast is really big. Arunachal is a huge state. Assam is big. The entire Northeast. So now we have to talk about Northeast from a singular point of view. South का lobby तय है, North का lobby तय है, Northeast के lobby में हम क्या डिपेंड करेंगे कि दिल्ली का लीडर क्या बताएगा हमको बोलने के लिए? So it is very important for one Northeast to come out and speak. मैंने उस दिन एक वीडियो देखा, I'm going slightly away from what you're saying. किसी ने कहा कि असम का कैपिटल सिक्किम है, किसी ने कहा कि अरुणाचल का कैपिटल तेरा नाना है।
From a reality show.
ये जोक था, मजाक था, जो भी था, ये हमारे ऊपर हमारा इंसल्ट, they were mocking us. अब नेशनल करिकुलम में एक जिक्र नहीं है नॉर्थ ईस्ट का एक्सेप्ट फॉर वन हॉर्न राइनोसरस, चेरापूंजी। क्या जिक्र है नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बारे? What are you educating the rest of India about Northeast? We know what is happening in Agra, we know what is happening in Punjab, Kashmir, Tamil Nadu, we know. But what is the rest of India learning about us? Who's going to speak about that? One Northeast should speak about that.
So that's
what is the economic policy of our region? What is going to be the future of our next generation? Will that be decided by Mr. A sitting in one party or Mr. B sitting in one party, both of them who are sitting in Delhi? Or will it be decided by our own parents, our own people here? So it is very important to have an independent voice which from time to time takes a position in the interest of our people. बांग्लादेश के लोग आ रहे हैं, म्यांमार के लोग, सब लोग बोलते हैं कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट, अनदर थिंग विच अफेक्ट्स मी, oh you are Chinese, you are Momo, you are Bahadur, you are Chinky. अरुणाचल के लोग are more, they are braver than the people of rest of India.
Yeah, actually we
एक चाइनीज को घुसने नहीं दिया.
Exactly.
और तभी भी आप रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया अरुणाचल के लोगों को बोलते हैं you are Chinese. नीडो तानिया को मार दिया.
I'll just cut you a little bit. I just had a discussion, similar discussion with an actor. Like आपने Family Man 3 देखा होगा, possibly अगर नहीं देखा है तो you should
watch. वो
अपना
मनोज वाजपेयी वाला.
हाँ. So there is one actor, Stephen Kuzo. मतलब the character's name is Stephen Kuzo. The actor is from Arunachal Pradesh. His name is Palin Kabak. Brilliant guy, and like he has also this kind of mindset. कि if Mumbai is not going to give me work, I will make Arunachal. I'll take Arunachal to that position that Mumbai has to come to Arunachal Pradesh, and Mumbai is like he being on the family.
अरे Mumbai is not giving Mumbaikars work. Half of the Mumbai film industry is filled with people who have come from Pakistan and Punjab, यार.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो मुंबई महाराष्ट्र को कहाँ काम दे रहा है? नाना पाटेकर बेरोजगार है आजकल.
So he mentioned a very interesting point. He said कि we Arunachalis, we don't share a border with China. We share the border with Tibet. China is an occupying force and we share the border with Tibet. And if you go to Arunachal, you will see in the bordering areas, जब China aggression दिखाता है, the Arunachalis are the first one to respond.
लेकिन Indians क्या बोलते हैं अरुणाचलीस को या नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न्स को? Chinese, चिंकी, मोमो, ठीक है, it affects.
Yeah.
Now, you go down south, you see Assam, you see Tripura, you see Meghalaya, you see parts of Mizoram. Do you think anyone is bothered about how many बिहार में पहुंच गया बांग्लादेशी तो सब लोग बोल रहे कि अरे खतरे में है बिहार, SIR. What is happening in our part of the world? Who's stopping them? The indigenous people of Northeast are the first one, the Tiprasa people, the Ahom people, the Boro people, the Barak, the people from Dimasa Hasao, the Karbi, the Khasis, the Garos, the Jaintias, they are the ones stopping the Bangladeshis. So, but yet you call us, you're not Indian enough. So, I'm not going into this racism angle, but I'm just saying, nobody cares about us. मैं इसके लिए अपने मणिपुर में बोलता हूँ, मणिपुर में कुकी, नागा, मैतेई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हुआ, सब लोग दिल्ली भाग रहे हैं कि दिल्ली सॉल्व करेगा, कोई परवाह नहीं करता दिल्ली में. दिल्ली में दे आर मोर कंसर्न अबाउट आगरा में क्या हो रहा है, गुड़गांव में क्या हो रहा है, जैसलमेर जयपुर में क्या हो रहा है. द पीपल ऑफ मणिपुर हैव टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ मणिपुर. And if we can sit across the table and solve, focus on our similarities, our problems, and let's say that अगले 2 साल तक हम लोग प्रॉब्लम जहाँ में विवाद है उसमें बात नहीं करेंगे. Let's discuss on how to solve where we are similar. You'll be able to solve the problems. But politicians don't want that to happen. They want us to be divided. Because if we are divided, we will not ask the right questions. We will not ask about corruption. We will not ask about illegal migration. We will not ask questions about development. We will keep quiet and we'll keep on fighting with each other. और जब तक we will fight with each other, we'll be divided. And we are divided. Then people come from outside and take our resources.
So do you think that NEDA has failed?
I think it has not been fully successful.
Similar ही है.
हाँ, अब मैंने 6 लिखा, आपने 9 देखा, मैंने 6 लिखा. I don't think it's fully been successful. If it was successful, मणिपुर नहीं होता.
आइडिया तो सिमिलर ही है, जैसे कि वन नॉर्थ.
तो नहीं, उसके पहले नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न कांग्रेस कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी था, है अभी भी. बट जब तक नेशनल पार्टी विल ड्राइव द नैरेटिव, द लोकल सेंटिमेंट्स विल बी ओवर. देयर आर मोर, इसके लिए तो मैं बोल रहा हूं, आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट नेशनल पार्टीज. आई हैव बीन माई सेल्फ इन कांग्रेस. It's a great party. But the understanding of the Congress leadership when I was there in Tripura and Northeast actually, I was there. I was secretary in charge of Sikkim. And what was happening on the ground, इनको idea ही नहीं था. You know, there's a very famous Home Minister of State. He met me in the Parliament just 6-7 months ago. He said, Pradyot, I really want to come to Assam. And I said, but sir, मैं आसाम से नहीं हूँ, मैं त्रिपुरा से हूँ. अच्छा, that fellow is not a bad guy, हाँ. आदमी बुरा इंसान नहीं है, लेकिन वो उनका लिमिटेड नॉलेज था, ऊपर के ऊपर पोजीशन में पहुंच गए हैं. वाइस चांसलर्स को आप देखिए, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एजुकेशन. सम ऑफ द टॉप वाइस चांसलर्स इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट आज के दिन, दे आर ट्राइंग टू चेंज आवर कल्चर, दे आर ट्राइंग टू चेंज आवर थिंकिंग, दे वांट टू चेंज द वे वी अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स. लेट दीज वाइस चांसलर्स, अगर आप गुरु बनना चाहते हैं, गुरु शिक्षा, you know, शिष्य गुरु का relationship, Guru should also understand about Northeast.
Are you hinting towards Tezpur University?
Tezpur University is one. In Tripura University is another. Northeastern Hill University in Meghalaya is another instance. Mizoram University is another instance. I can keep on going on and on. आपको लगता है कि अरे मैं भी हिंदू हूँ भाई, लेकिन हिंदू धर्म एक क्षेत्र में अलग होता है. जो ब्राह्मण वेजिटेरियन होता है नॉर्थ इंडिया में, बंगाल में मटन खाता है, मच्छी खाता है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में मीट खाता है, साउथ इंडिया में कुछ और खाता है. बट दीज पीपल वांट टू पुट वन लाइन ऑफ कल्चरल इंपीरियलिज्म. नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल यार. नाउ हु इज गोइंग टू टेल दिस? सो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट वन नॉर्थ ईस्ट, आई एम नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग फ्रॉम अ पॉलिटिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. आई एम ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर हिस्ट्री, आवर हेरिटेज, आवर कल्चर, द वे वी ईट, द वे वी ड्रेस, the way we people are, we have to talk about that. So yes, that's the reason I wanted to do one Northeast. I think मैंने आपको wholesome explanation दिया है. Daniel ने, I have seen the interview, उसने political explanation दिया है. मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि one Northeast will never be successful अगर आपके दिल में चोट नहीं लगेगा तो. If you do not feel insulted when people laugh at you.
And for that you have to be.
And I'll tell you something. They think there are some of our people, some of these people, अरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट की लड़की स्पा वाली है. Oh, they are you know, we smile. It does not mean come, take us. It is our culture. If you go to Japan, you're a young man, you go to Japan. When Japanese people generally smile when they're embarrassed. It's a part of the culture. Now, if you are smiling, अरे यार देखो मुझे देखकर हंस रही है, interested है मेरे ऊपर. How do you do that? How do you insult our women? You think it doesn't affect people like us, people like you? So we should stand up, and we will stand up on our own position of strength and negotiate with the rest of the country.
You, as you have mentioned that you have come from Congress, Daniel G was also there in Congress. Mr. Kikon, like just resigned.
He was in NCP. Then he went to Congress.
Yeah.
Conrad Sangma's father, P.A. Sangma, was in Congress. So the birth of all political parties in this country has been Congress.
Congress.
Hemanta Biswa Sarma,
Was from Congress.
Congress. So Sarbananda Sonowal was from AGP. Pema Khandu was from Congress. His father was from Congress. Biren Singh was from Congress. Dr. Manik Shah, Tripura Chief Minister, is from Congress. Biplab Dev, yes, he originally is from RSS. So, because it was Congress had a free run since independence, most of the leaders or their parents are from Congress.
So,
It does not mean that we have betrayed them.
no,
It
that I
just means
understand.
that Congress was the only party India knew. And we are very indebted to Congress also. They gave us 6th schedule. They ensured forest bill rights. They given states their statehood. I appreciate that. But there is more which has to be done. You cannot lie in your past laurels.
So, as I was saying that you came from Congress, Mr. Kikon just resigned from BJP's national spokesperson, Daniel Ji came from Congress. So, and then Mr. Conrad Sangma has his own party. You guys also have your own parties. So, after that, you decided to start a new venture, One Northeast. So, was it pre-planned or it's just something happened? Just you guys were sitting and
First of all, it's not a venture. Venture is to make money.
yeah.
And I have to, a journalist in me, थोड़ा सा तो करना पड़ता है. First of all, this was always in our hearts. Conrad and me have been speaking about this for 5-6 years. But कब करना था? सब बोलते थे possible नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है.
अभी भी बोलते हैं बहुत लोग.
हाँ तो बोलने दीजिए, बोलने दीजिए. Suppose we fail, at least I will not die saying that I didn't try. But those people who have given up will never know what it was to have tried. Many people don't propose to their girlfriends, to their lover or who they love, because they say that reject kar degi. Then it's better to have loved than to have never loved at all. Same thing in life. Try it. Do it with your heart. दिल से करो. If it's successful, great. If it's not successful, बोल तो नहीं सकेंगे कि मैंने कोशिश नहीं किया. It is very important to try. It's very important to have self-confidence. So we've been discussing this for a long time. And many people said, होगा, नहीं होगा. We said, चलो करते हैं यार. और किया. And today we have got political parties from Arunachal approaching us. We have got political party from Manipur who's already decided to become an associate member. We are talking to people from Nagaland. We have got people from Dimasa Hasao, Daniel Langthasa's People's Party has come in. We have got Ajay Edwards from Darjeeling,
Yes.
who's a strong guy, who's been fighting, who's in neutral, independent, who's already taken part in the One Northeast rally. We are in constant communication. And there are many other people who are talking. And we will start this. And मेरे दिल में एक चीज़ तो है कि अगर आप कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो आपको मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा आपका क्षमता क्या है. Many people told our elders, यार 6th schedule के लिए fight मत करो. Many people told the people in Manipur that Meiteis should not, Meiteis should be divided like this and that. But the Meiteis believed in themselves. Afspa kabhi hatega nahi. But the Imas, the Mera Paibis, they stood up. And today Afspa is removed from Manipur. In Tripura, same thing. Many people told the founding members, whether it was Stanley Nichols Roy, whether it was B.B. Lyngdoh, Captain William Sangma, that Professor G.G. Swell, John Deng Porman, I forget his name, Ba Hoppingstone, one of the greatest leaders of Khasi Hills. They told them that you'll never get statehood, Meghalaya will never happen. Hua? So, many people will try to say it's not possible. You are a young man. People will say, यार journalism क्यों कर रहे हो यार? माँ बाप ही बोलते हैं यार मत करो, गवर्नमेंट जॉब ले लो. You're doing what is in your heart, no? अगर कल आपका जर्नलिज्म नहीं बना, चलो, एटलीस्ट यू से मैं 5 साल तो दिया करने के लिए. So you have to do that.
You are a very emotional person. आपसे बात करके
I'm a passionate person. Now you become emotional because I spoke about your father and mother saying don't do journalism.
नहीं
I used to play football, yeah. They said, क्यों football खेलते हो, cricket क्यों खेलते हो? अरे lawyer वायर बन जाओ. लेकिन खेला. और आज जब मैं I see youngsters and youth and all, and they say I want to make a career in football. I say, do it. Somebody wants to be a musician, become a musician. अरे फेल हो गए तभी हम लोग अलग रास्ता चुनेंगे या फिर कोशिश करते रहो. बट दिल में अगर जो था वो आपने नहीं किया, then what's the use of living a life? Yeah.
At least death bed में वो regret नहीं रहेगा.
Exactly, stick your neck out. And if you're young, you should make mistakes. If you are so scared of making mistakes when you're young, then you will never grow in life. But yes, I do connect with the youth because I didn't live like a king. I lived in Northeast all my life. Almost all my friends are from similar humble background from Northeast. So I understand what my people feel, our people feel, all of us feel. And because God has given me this privilege and people's love has brought me here, I think it is my duty not to change. If after winning I change, then why have I won in the first place?
Don't you think after one Northeast you have made many enemies?
ठीक है, you are important because you have enemies. जिसका कोई दुश्मन नहीं मतलब जिंदगी में कुछ किया नहीं.
And don't you think it is a huge risk for Mr. Sangma also?
It is a risk for all of us. Conrad is a great guy, and Conrad has taken a really big risk coming and supporting a person like me in Tripura, angering many other people. But दिल बड़ा है Conrad का, and I will support Conrad because I think that जिस दिन Conrad और हम एक हो गए, many people got worried because they don't want to see two indigenous people coming together. And then Daniel comes in, then Kikon comes in, then Ajay Edwards comes in, then Hemo Chandra comes in, then many other people come in. You think people are not angry that I went in campaign for Hagrama? But I did it because my heart said that Kokrajhar should control their own future. Nobody from outside should tell Kokrajhar how to control themselves. So I did. People got angry. Some people got angry, but I did.
चलिए थोड़ा त्रिपुरा के बारे में बात करते हैं.
चलिए.
Tell me about your experience. You have grown up in Tripura also. Shillong में तो you have gone to college and all. As a child from Agartala, Tripura, how was it to be born and raised in
Tripura? I will take my life in 3 phases.
Okay.
When my father was alive,
Yeah.
अलग जिंदगी था, very sheltered, palace के अंदर, with all the people. Second part हुआ when my father passed away, and I took over. Again, very skewed from a palace point of view. जो भी लोग मिलने आते थे, आपको सच बात नहीं बोलते थे, वही बोलते थे जो आपको सुनना था. उससे आपका परसेप्शन गिर जाता है, असली परसेप्शन आपको नहीं मिलता. वो मेरा अर्ली कांग्रेस ईयर्स था. मैंने सीखा बहुत, मैंने कोशिश भी बहुत किया, लेकिन मैं समझ नहीं पाया कि क्या था त्रिपुरा. फर्स्ट पार्ट था पिताजी के समय, शेल्टर्ड लाइफ, वो नॉर्मल आप देखेंगे कि. सेकंड पार्ट था कि ये फादर के बाद इंट्रोडक्शन टू पब्लिक लाइफ, पीपल, लेकिन इट वाज लार्जली अगरतला सेंट्रिक.
Yeah.
And then the third part came when I fell ill in 2016. I have stent in my heart. और जब I was in my hospital bed after my stent in my heart, I was unwell. I thought that something is wrong, and I restructured my entire thinking, and then I went to the villages, and then I realized where the problem was. And that part of Tripura, that last 8 to 9 years, 8 years more specifically, is the most fulfilling part of my life. in terms of actually helping a poor woman, a old woman, give her assurance. Meet a young boy, give him something to make him feel more confident. Meet a father who's lost it all and build his home. I think that part of my life is probably why you're interviewing me also.
You mentioned about your जो विलेज का कनेक्ट विलेज का जर्नी के बारे में like you have mentioned. Any particular incident that has stuck with you?
No, many, but I don't think I should. I'll give you an example. 2023 में असेंबली इलेक्शन हुआ. I had no money. First time regional party is going into assembly election without support of BJP, CPM पार्टी और कांग्रेस पार्टी. अकेला लड़े. मैंने अपना जो भी गाड़ी था, घर था, मतलब फ्लैट्स था, वो सब मैंने बेचा. कुछ रुपया आया. मैंने अलायंस नहीं किया. अलायंस करते तो करोड़ रुपए मिलता. मैंने अलायंस नहीं किया. और तब I said something. I put it up in my social media, Facebook में कि this is my bank account, पार्टी का, if you can contribute. 2 दिन के अंदर over 1.9 करोड़ रुपए मिला. किसी ने 50 रुपए दिया, किसी ने 500 दिया, किसी ने 5000 दिया, लेकिन सब ने दिया. Everybody gave. I went to a village. There was this woman. She's probably a daily wage earner.
I know this incident.
And she gave me 50 rupees. I still have that 50 rupees. इसके बाद I can never betray my people. Because now they have given me a reason to fight. Because they have invested in me. And now I'm invested in my people. So I cannot let my people down. And that is one thing which I tell people. बहुत लोग, सब मेरे फैमिली के मेंबर्स, कुछ लोग जो बाहर में हैं, रिश्तेदार हैं, वो नहीं समझते. ये यहाँ में लगना चाहिए. And then you feel, no, प्रद्योत, you cannot betray your people. इसके बाद पॉलिटिकल थियरी खिड़की से बाहर चला जाता है. उसके बाद जो आता है वो है कि वही करना है जो ठीक है, और उसके बाद देखा जाएगा.
In many instances, you have mentioned that you were a very poor king in case of money. But I can see that you are a very rich king when it comes to your people and the love that you receive from your people. How do you see that?
No, I'm rich in my heart. Yeah, you are interviewing me. I mean, poor and rich is not to do with money. It's got to do with expectation. It's got to do with your personal achievement. Even now in Delhi, I roam around in a taxi. I don't have very high lifestyle. I want to hang around with my old school college friends. We'll sit down in the evening, guitar hai, bonfire. We'll sit down and enjoy ourselves. Jab you need brands to make you happy, that means you've already forgotten what is the money doesn't make you happy. Company makes you happy. Moments make you happy. So I may be poor compared to royalty in Mysore और निज़ाम का था या ग्वालियर का था या जयपुर का था या जो भी हो. I'm very happy that they are rich people and they're doing very well. For me, my wealth is my people's support. And I keep on saying it. मेरा सपोर्ट गांव से आता है, इनका सपोर्ट ऊपर से आता है, मतलब कि दिल्ली से आता है. लेकिन अंत में what will matter is that village. And that village is the reason why, as I said, we are here. And one thing more, you are a young man. जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
मैं उतना भी young नहीं हूँ. I'm just
compared to me यार, compared
you
to
have mentioned it बहुत time.
compared to Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek is young. So
in that case,
in that.
okay.
So not that I'm calling you Abhishek.
Not Abhishek, obviously.
Though he did act in a Yuva movie called Yuva. The point is like, in life, कुछ भी हो जाए, one should figure yourself out. What will make you happy and what will show the world that you're happy. A lot of people think अच्छा गाड़ी ले लिया, अच्छा मतलब कि Instagram में आपने picture दे दिया, that makes. I still love eating puchka and chaat. I still love eating that double egg double chicken roll in Park Street in Calcutta. If I'm in Tripura, I would love to go and eat my bhangui, my chakhui. These are my traditional food. I have my Naga friends. They'll make me akhuni or anishi, bastenga with a lot of chili. I love having that. I love having Garu food. I love having Khasi food. I don't need to go to a Michelin star, 5-star restaurant and have, this much food and pay. So these are not important. So what makes me, football makes me happy. So I'll pay a lot of money to go and watch a football
match.
Yeah, World Cup में चला गया. For that I'll spend. Concert हुआ. Suppose now I hear Def Leppard is coming in Shillong. I will try to make time out and spend some money to go and watch a concert. These things make me happy. But in terms of lifestyle, no, not much.
Have you been to the Post Malone concert in Guwahati?
No, I couldn't. I was in Tripura. But it's good. Assam has got Post Malone. Now I believe...
Tough competition for your friend, Mr. Conrad Sangma.
I don't think you can compete with Shillong when it comes to music because people are music lovers. But I'm very happy that Guwahati is opening up to music. There was a time when Venga Boys were supposed to perform and social groups said this is not Assamese culture and opposed it. I did the first rock concert in Shillong in 2004. I got Firehouse. I was the one. Then I did Mr. Big. Then we got in White Lion. We got in Hoobastank. I used to run a magazine which featured a lot of music ourselves. So I'm very happy that Assam has opened up. I believe next year, I think Hemanto Biswa Sarma has said that he'll get Shakira in. Very good. We'll go and see Shakira also. And when we get in Def Leppard or we get in Scorpions to come in again, or let's say we get in Linkin Park, maybe some point people will come. Dream Theatre is happening in Kolkata. I would like to go. We should not be in competition. East India has produced some of the best musicians, whether in Bollywood, Kishore Kumar ho, Tripura se SD Burman, RD Burman, right? Zubin Garg, Assam, Papon Da is there, right? This is local. Then, in terms of Western music, in terms of rock and roll, you have had the Great Society, Shillong Chamber Choir. You've had Alobo Naga. You had Girish Pradhan from Sikkim, but Girish Pradhan's first song, I helped him out when he did his Angel song in the Great Eastern Rock. I helped him out. So we've got some Mojo. You've got some great musicians here. Ritu Rabha is there, Arunachal mein. So this region is the best in music. So why not create an entire circuit in the entire east of India which promotes music?
So when is Agartala opening up?
Agartala, Zubin Nautiyal just played. But I think that we should do a proper fest in Agartala. But it should be in the ADC areas. Agartala per se, Agartala se thoda dur, because otherwise crowd control mein problem ho jata hai. City gets clogged up. Maybe we should make Khumulung or something, a music venue where all the musicians who want to perform in Tripura should come there. And we should give them a chance. उसमें क्या होता है, local economy भी बढ़ता है.
Yeah.
People make money. जिस दिन event होता है, लोग सामान बेचते हैं, खाते हैं, लोग आता है. People make money also.
And in your lifetime, Abhi, you have sat with many influential people. You have also shared screen with many top journalists. कभी आपको लगा था मेरे साथ आप बैठेंगे? इतना जूनियर एकदम क्या बोलते, जस्ट जिसने अपना करियर शुरू किया है, अभी तक दुनिया ठीक से नहीं देखा होगा.
नहीं, कोई छोटा नहीं होता, कोई जूनियर नहीं होता. इन जर्नलिज्म जिंदगी में वी आर ऑल द सेम. आपका कर्म आपको बताएगा, आपका काम आपको बताएगा. अगेन वरना कोई आके बोलेगा कि मैं आज से 30 साल पहले बड़ा आदमी था, आज भी आप मुझे वही रिस्पेक्ट दो, नहीं होता. दिस इज अ फास्ट पेस इंडस्ट्री. Many of the senior so-called journalists who were very big in the 90s and 2000s are today, because they did not keep up with times, they are becoming irrelevant. And there's a new breed of journalism which is coming out, which is not necessarily print journalism, but which is digital journalism. Podcasts are there. I watch Samdesh Kot, of course. I know Samdesh very well personally. Raj Shamani is there. Then you have I watch the Joe Rogan, his podcast regularly. So international podcasters are there. I meet them, I talk to them, and I think this is a very informal way of the audience also knowing who we are and what we are feeling. कभी-कभी जो print में आता है, you can't sense it, but you can at least see and hear when this sort of conversations take
And I
place.
feel it is very important to make the conversation very like crystal clear for the audience, so that every age group can understand. कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि if we make the conversation little intellectual, then एक niche audience के लिए it's understandable. सबके लिए maybe उतना easy नहीं होता है.
Some of the most miserable people in my life I've met are intellectuals. You know why? Because
I don't call myself.
Don't call yourself intellectual. There's a difference between being intellectual and wise. Most of these intellectuals, most of them what I've met, they're miserable. And a wise person is in seek of happiness. So wisdom means seeking happiness, contentment. So किसी का भला करो, किसी का अच्छा करो. That is more important.
So little about politics in Tripura. You have been in alliance with BJP, but अभी आप दोनों में थोड़ा clashes चल रहा है. Alleged clashes मैं बोलूँगा.
Alleged clashes चल रहा है.
Clashes चल रहा है. Okay, so आपने बोल दिया तो हम कह सकते हैं.
क्या डर है? सच बात है.
Verbal clashes भी है, थोड़े physical clashes भी हुए हैं.
Physical clashes नहीं हुए, क्योंकि physical clashes होने से मैं कभी भी violence के ऊपर विश्वास नहीं करता हूँ. So physical clashes should not take place. Verbally, both parties have the right to put across their point.
So having said that, the district council elections are approaching. What will be the Tipra Motha's approach? Because BJP के साथ आप लोगों का थोड़ा अभी रिश्ता ठीक नहीं लग रहा है मुझे.
नहीं, मैंने शादी तो नहीं किया ना, रिश्ता नहीं है, ये अलायंस है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ तिपरासा अकॉर्ड. तिपरासा अकॉर्ड में वादा किया गया था कि आर लैंग्वेज, आर लैंड राइट्स, our political rights, our culture, our history will be given importance, and गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने स्वीकार किया था, उपकार नहीं किया था, स्वीकार किया था कि तिपरासा के खिलाफ नाइंसाफ़ी हुआ है त्रिपुरा में, तो ये हिस्टोरिकल इम्बैलेंस को ठीक करने के लिए ये अकॉर्ड साइन किया गया था. ऑलमोस्ट 2 साल होने वाला है, अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं. हम वेट कर रहे हैं. आई हैव एक्सपेक्टेशंस दैट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया विल ऑनर द कमिटमेंट.
6 month का एक
उन्होंने कहा था विदिन 6 months खत्म करने की कोशिश करेंगे, नहीं हुआ है एनीवे. तो ऑलमोस्ट 2 साल हो रहा है. आई एम वेटिंग, बट मुझे लगता है कि स्टेट में देयर आर लीडर्स हु डोंट वांट दिस अकॉर्ड टू गो थ्रू, बिकॉज दे थिंक दैट अगर तिपरासा को पावर मिला
तो वो पावर में नहीं आएंगे.
नहीं, तो उनका मोनोपोली खत्म हो जाएगा. और उनको आदत पड़ गया है कि तिपरासा को नौकर रखने के लिए, लेकिन तिपरासा नौकर नहीं है. और जब तक मैं हूं, तिपरासा त्रिपुरा का नौकर नहीं रहेगा. आज गलत इम्बैलेंस है, इसको ठीक करने के लिए तिपरासा अकॉर्ड साइन किया गया था. अगर ऑनर नहीं होगा, देन आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट माय ऑप्शंस.
एक और हवा में बातें चल रही है त्रिपुरा पॉलिटिक्स को लेके कि जो अभी के मुख्यमंत्री हैं मानिक शाह जी और पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री जो बिप्लब जी थे, उनके जो रिश्ते हैं वो सुधर रहे हैं अभी. उन दोनों में इक्वेशन जो है फिर से अच्छा होने के संकेत दिखाई दे रहे हैं. तो अगर ऐसा होता है तो ये तिपरासा के लिए एक सेटबैक होगा, और क्या ये पूरे ऑपोजिशन के लिए?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता कि कभी भी मानिक शाह जी, ही इज़ अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टेड मैन, ही इज़ अ डॉक्टर, एंड बिप्लब देव, ही इज़ अ वेरी पॉपुलर लीडर इन त्रिपुरा. उनके बीच में कभी भी मैंने प्रॉब्लम देखा नहीं
है. मतलब लोग बोलते हैं बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है.
लोग बोलते, मैंने नहीं बोला. मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा, और ना उन्होंने कभी भी बिप्लब के विरुद्ध कुछ कहा है, ना बिप्लब ने भी बिप्लब जी ने मेरे सामने मानिक शाह जी के खिलाफ कुछ बोला है. जो लोग बीच में, इनफैक्ट जहाँ तक मेरा वो है एक्सपीरियंस है, वो माय नॉलेज है कि व्हेन बिप्लब decided to step down as chief minister, his only choice to be the chief minister was Dr. Manik Shah. So Dr. Manik Shah was the choice of outgoing chief minister Biplab Debji. So I don't see them having any problem with each other. और जो लोग भी बीच में लगाते हैं, ये बीजेपी का इंटरनल मैटर है, आई शुड नॉट इवन बी कमेंटिंग ऑन इट, बट जो भी ये लगाते हैं कि ज्ञान की प्रॉब्लम है उन दोनों के बीच में, शायद वो मुझसे ज़्यादा जानते हैं. जहाँ तक मेरा नॉलेज है, मैंने कभी भी उनको एक दूसरे के खिलाफ बात करते हुए नहीं देखा, और इससे तिपरासा का लेना देना कुछ नहीं है. ये बीजेपी का इंटरनल मैटर है. तिपरासा का जो मैटर है वो है, वी वॉन्ट आवर लैंड राइट्स, we want political rights, we want direct funding, we want the idea of Greater Tripura land to be implemented under the Constitution of India, and of course we want a script in our language, which in a language that we choose and not somebody else.
So क्यों होने नहीं दे रहा बीजेपी जो ये कोकबोरोक स्क्रिप्ट है, जो रोमन स्क्रिप्ट से लिया गया है, इसको इम्प्लीमेंट क्यों नहीं होने दे रहा है बीजेपी?
I just want to tell through your medium that you see the people who are stopping the implementation of the script that we want.
People as in the chief minister?
The people, right? This could be the chief minister, it could be anybody else. But through your channel, I'll tell you one thing. When Pakistan imposed Urdu on the people of East Pakistan, the Bengali people, the people of East Pakistan, which are Bengali people, refused to accept Urdu as a language of communication, and they revolted, the Bhasha Andolan. And iske liye Bangladesh became a new country and West Pakistan became Pakistan. The same people who have seen this in East Pakistan, when West Pakistan was trying to impose Urdu on the Bengali speaking people, should also think about the sentiment of the indigenous Tiprasa people and not try to impose their script, their language on us. I have nothing against Bengali language. I think it's one of the sweetest languages.
Thank you.
We have Rabindranath Tagore was promoted by my great-great-grandfather, and we have had great relations. But script should be a choice on the people. And how would you feel, since you said you're a Bengali, if Mr. Amit Shah said you have to write in Gujarati?
I won't.
So why would I? If someone tells me to write in Bengali. That does not mean that you are against Gujaratis.
Yeah.
But it just means that you want to preserve your identity, culture. And that is what I am saying. Now, politically आपको आदत हो गया है. आदत भी तो बहुत बुरी चीज होती है ना. You got used to giving orders and the indigenous people are supposed to listen to it. Well, 2025 में, 2026 में Gen Z, next generation will fight for their rights and we are not going to be pushovers. बस.
See, थोड़ा मतलब हम एकदम लास्ट सेगमेंट में आ चुके हैं. एक चीज़ है, मैं बांग्लादेश के बारे में थोड़ा बात करना चाहूँगा क्योंकि बांग्लादेश के साथ एज द रॉयल फैमिली ऑफ त्रिपुरा आप लोगों का बहुत हिस्टोरिकल टाइज रहा है, एंड ऑल्सो विद शेख हसीना ऑल्सो यू हैव गुड रिलेशन.
वो तो त्रिपुरा का पार्ट था. चकला रोशनाबाद, कुमिल्ला, ब्राह्मणबाड़ी, चिटगोंग हिल ट्रैक, दे वर ऑल पार्ट ऑफ त्रिपुरा.
नाउ दैट बांग्लादेश हैज
वही तो ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा दे दो,
has started showing hostile nature towards India. How do you see that? क्योंकि अगर बांग्लादेश एग्रेशन जो अभी दिखा रहा है, अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है, अगर भगवान ना करे कि कोई युद्ध हो जाए, ऐसा कुछ हो जाए, then Tripura shares a very big boundary with Bangladesh. So how do you see that, the aggression from?
That is what I've been trying to tell the government of India. The problem is that politicians want Bengalis and Tripuris to fight with each other. But मेरा कहना है कि Tripuris and Bengali should come together and ठोको पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश. बहुत हमारे पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स हैं, उनके घर आज भी कुमिल्ला में है, नोआखाली में है, ब्राह्मणबाड़ी में है, ओपनली बोलते हैं. तो चलो ना हाथ मिला के वापस लेते हैं. अरे आज बांग्लादेश चिटगोंग हिल ट्रैक्स, आज पूरा मोहम्मद यूनिस तोहफा गिफ्ट कर रहा है किताब. There's a book.
Yeah.
उसमें पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ बांग्लादेश.
Are they daydreaming or what?
No. they're doing everything right. We are daydreaming that बदल जाएंगे. We are daydreaming Indians. हमको दो चांस, हम दिखाते. There are so many Tripuris, Chakmas, Garos, Manipuris, Kukis, Khasis. They are all in Bangladesh today. Indigenous people. There are Hindu Bengalis who are there, who just want India to help them. We will teach Bangladesh a lesson. But government of India को लगता है कि मोहम्मद यूनुस या खालिदा जिया सडनली ठीक हो जाएगी. नहीं होगा. फरवरी में इलेक्शन होगा, उसके बाद जो भी सरकार निकलेगा बांग्लादेश में वो एंटी इंडिया होगा. जमायत इस्लामी स्ट्रांग हो रहा है. दे विल हैमर द हिंदू बंगालीज, दे विल हैमर द इंडिजिनस पीपल, एंड देन वी विल बी लेफ्ट विद अ ह्यूज प्रॉब्लम. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया unfortunately has not done much. They should do more to actually make sure that Northeast India is no longer landlocked. And मैंने कहा था last time, Northeast also needs a beach. Goa is too far away. Let's take Chittagong Hill Tracks. अपना पूरा port Chittagong ports आ जाएगा ना. The day we get Chittagong Hill ports, whatever this which we are buying for 20 rupees, which we are selling for 20 rupees, we'll sell it for 200 rupees. And if you are buying this for 200 rupees, we'll be able to buy it for 20 rupees. Our economy will boom. Our people will be happier. But the government of India needs to look at this problem not from a political point of view. Not that कि ये community का vote हमसे चला जाएगा या ये community होगा. They should look at it from a national security point of view.
And you have mentioned it many a times कि if they want to, like if they show aggression on Siliguri corridor, we will take Chittagong.
No. Whether they show aggression or don't show. आज चुप है कल उठेंगे. We should now, when Bangladesh is in a situation of flux, now is the time that we make a move. And मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, nobody will support Bangladesh. America will not support Bangladesh. China will not support Bangladesh. Russia will not support Bangladesh. Israel will not support Bangladesh. So who will support Bangladesh? Pakistan. The Pakistan generals are in Chittagong, in Dhaka, आज के दिन, as I speak. They are there. And they are saying they are doing medical relief. Why are you sending generals to do medical relief? The ISI is active in Bangladesh. And they are going to use Bangladesh as a landing ground to create problem in Northeast.
अभी जो इंडिया रशिया टाइज है, these are getting quite better these days. Always have been better.
Always have been good.
Always have been good. Now it's better. With India Russia getting stronger in their relationship, China का जो रोल है, अभी चाइना का रोल कैसा होगा, आपको क्या लगता है?
See, we cannot avoid China. China is a reality. China is going to be the next superpower. In fact, they are going to overtake America in the next 5 to 8 years.
Yeah.
America is a very unreliable ally to have. History has proven to us. Whether it was with Pakistan, whether it was with Afghanistan, whether it was even with Europe, and Trump is now, and with Japan now, with them imposing sanction. India should actively engage with China while not completely letting go of our relationship with America. But for us to put all our eggs in one basket and become hostile towards China so that America will send us some favors is something which will not work for us in the long run. And China is a reality, and we have to engage with China. And if we can do that successfully, India will emerge as a third largest economy. But in the fight between number 1 and number 2, we take a side, we will be in number 10. So we should leverage our state policy, which is not new. Our Indian state policy has been there for the last 50, 60 years. Engage with China, engage with America, but from the position of strength from India's point of view.
How do you see Mr. Jaishankar? कैसे लगते हैं आपको?
I have never met him, so I wouldn't know. I think that this question should be asked to the Prime Minister. But Jaishankar, I've seen his blogs and
his laser eyes.
Yeah, laser eyes and all. But I think maybe we need more than that when it comes to foreign policy.
शब्दों का खेल बहुत अच्छा है उनका, लेकिन
इस शब्दों से आप डीप स्टेट नहीं कर सकते हो ना. शब्दों का खेल से नहीं होता. You should look at diplomats which have actively done a wonderful job over the years. The Indian Foreign Service is one of the most respected. It's not because of Mr. Jaishankar. It is because of the system which has taken out a good number of foreign bureaucrats and our missions. So I think it is, we should not get too taken aback or too enamored by what comes with the laser eyes, but by what is happening. I'm very unhappy that Operation Sindoor ke baad, not one country openly condemned Pakistan. I'm very unhappy that despite Pahalgam, Mr. Munir got 2 opportunities to have lunch with Mr. Trump. All the Central Asian countries did not support us. And I think it is very unfortunate that we were isolated when such a heinous activity of Pahalgam took place. So I think that this should be a lesson that we should learn from in the future.
थोड़ा लाइट हार्टेड क्वेश्चन, आपको क्या लगता है नॉर्थ ईस्ट का चाणक्य कौन है? लोग तो एक जन को बोलते हैं
हेमंत बिश्व शर्मा. नहीं, नॉर्थ ईस्ट का चाणक्य मुझे लगता है
कॉनराड सांगमा.
नहीं, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हम लोग खुद चाणक्य नॉर्थ ईस्ट से नहीं, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में का चाणक्य, यार चाणक्य क्यों बोले यार? वी शुड हैव आवर ओन ओरिजिनल. You've forgotten P.A. Sangma? He was a smart man. And I think the original Chanakya of Northeast, in a good way, is P.A. Sangma. Was P.A. Sangma.
How is your relation with Himanta Biswa Sharma?
Very good. Hemanta Da is very good with me. Very
Personally?
Good. Personally also very good. I have very good relation. He's become very busy with the Assam elections for the last 2 years. So we have hardly spoken. In fact, we have not even spoken for almost a year. But otherwise, because we came from the Congress family. So I know Hemanta Da from 2006-07 when I was in the Youth Congress. And I've had very good relationship. I know his wife is also very sweet. I mean, I'm talking about whenever we have met. And I have a lot of personal respect and warmth towards him. And when he meets me also, he's also very warm towards me.
I have asked this to Daniel ji also. I'll ask this one to you also. Who do you think is a smarter politician, Conrad Sangma or Himanta Biswa Sharma?
I think they're both very smart.
But still, if you have to choose one.
Daniel said Conrad. I think I'll say, since I know Conrad better, I will say that Conrad definitely not smarter. Conrad is more educated in terms he studied outside and he had things. Hemanta Da is a struggler. I would say for the indigenous areas, Conrad. For the plain areas, Hemanta. You're forgetting one more politician who's very smart, very apt, but he generally is not considered. But he's been chief minister for a very long time. Nefi Rio, very smart politician, very smart, and he survived. He was in Congress. He went to NPF, started NDPP, now has gone back to NPF. So that takes some amount of skill. So we should not forget Mr. Nefi Rio, a very smart politician. I have a lot of respect for Pema Khandu, large-hearted, again very good. Gaurav is my friend. When Gaurav first entered politics in 2011-12, he was my junior in Congress. I thought, yaar, time lagega. Lekin he's now come up as a very sophisticated and erudite politician, speaker. So Gaurav, I cannot forget who am I. There's a person called Paul Lingdor from Meghalaya.
Yeah, Mr. Paul.
He was with me in the student politics. Today, I mean, a man of different, I think, great politician. Dr. Mukul Sangma, very good politician, very good administrator. We may be in opposite ends today. He's in Trinamool, but we were in Congress together again. Very good administrator, very smart man, very organized. So there are very many good politicians. The problem is that national media is only concentrating on Hemanta Biswa Sarma or Conrad or sometimes me, we are forgetting that survival in politics, or Pema Khandu, but there are many good politicians in Northeast. It's just that we tend to speak from different platforms. Today Conrad and me are speaking from the same platform. That's it.
नो एक्चुअली इसमें थोड़ा मैं डिसएग्री करूंगा.
लाइट हार्टेड क्वेश्चन था ये, तो बहुत सीरियस हो गया.
नहीं, मैं डिसएग्री इसलिए करूंगा क्योंकि वी आर ऑल्सो, मतलब आई डोंट नो अबाउट अदर्स बट आई कैन स्पीक फॉर आवर टीम. वी आर एक्चुअली ट्राइंग टू गेट नॉर्थ ईस्ट के जो फेसेस हैं, जो हु आर स्पीकिंग फॉर द पीपल on our platform, so that not exactly कि ऐसा नहीं है कि we want people who are very popular, who are like loved by millions, but ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो मे बी उनके बारे में लोग इतना नहीं जानते हैं, but they're doing really good. जैसे कि डैनियल लांगथा सर, he comes from a very remote place in Assam. अब तो बहुत डेवलपमेंट हो गया है.
Haflong is not remote. Dimasas, by the way, Dimasas, Bodos and Tripuri people, we are brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
And Dimasa king and the Tripura king are brothers.
बहुत सारे वर्ड्स भी सेम बोलते हैं आप लोग.
So we are actually same stock. It's just that history has divided us, boundaries have divided us.
रिमोट इन दैट सेंस मैं बोला क्योंकि जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर था आज से 15 साल पहले, रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड एवरीथिंग, तो उस जगह पे मतलब हाफलोंग में जाना भी एक चैलेंज था. उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में मैंने रिमोट बोला.
इंसर्जेंसी भी था.
हाँ, बहुत कुछ था. तो एनीवेज लास्टली आई विल जस्ट
आपने कहा था फन क्वेश्चन पूछोगे यार, ये तो बहुत सीरियस. हु स्मार्टर, कॉनराड और हेमंत बिश्व शर्मा? अरे यार, हेमंत दा एंड कॉनराड, they are good friends also amongst themselves. आप लोग कभी पोस्ट मलोनी, पोस्ट मलोन एंड देन दैट जोक आपका, उसमें आपने बेचारा दादा को टारगेट किया. कभी आप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को टारगेट करते हो कि वो गिटार बजा रहा है, क्यों ये कर रहा है. कभी बाउंड्री. दे आर बोथ गुड पीपल, दे आर बोथ गुड फ्रेंड्स. वी आर ऑल देयर, यू नो, समटाइम्स आपको लगता है कि हम लोग बहुत मतलब कि एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते. ये है, हम लोग सबसे बात करते हैं. लुक एट मी, आई स्पीक टू होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया अमित शाह,
एंड यू आर स्पीकिंग टू मी.
आई स्पीक टू यू, आई स्पीक टू राहुल गांधी. एंड the other day I had gone to the Australian High Commission. I met DMK, I met TMC, I met BJP, I met Congress. They were all sitting together and having conversation.
Will you mention it somewhere? कि I just had a chat with a young journalist from Assam.
I'll take a picture of you and put it on my Instagram. See, देखो. He said that I'm not that young. Now he's himself quoting that a young journalist.
शब्दों का खेल है, हम तो यही सब करते हैं.
You can't. You let me say that you are young.
Anyways, मतलब ये तो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात होगा कि अगर.
नहीं, but where is your light-hearted question? I have not got your light-hearted question. You are the intense guy.
I'm not that intense. अभी लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं थोड़ा मतलब मजाकिया भी हूँ, लेकिन.
So I thought that you'll ask me मजाकिया question.
नहीं, अभी आपके साथ.
हाँ, when it came to my people, I'm intense. But I think that अंदर में नफरत नहीं होना चाहिए, and you should be chilled out. Like I met somebody the other day. He said, my favorite song is by John Lennon. I said, what? So he said, he kept quiet. Then थोड़ा देर के बाद he said, प्रज्वल भाई, मुझे आइमी जाइन बहुत पसंद है. I said, आइमी जाइन? I said, by whom? He said, by John Lennon. Then so कभी-कभी एक्सेंट में हो जाता है यार. But the truth is कि अंत में स्टेट का भला होना चाहिए. And I thought you were good, but ये, you know, Mr. Rio, great guy. But there are so many other people in Nagaland who are also Mr. Zeliang, very intelligent man. There are great personalities in Northeast. In Manipur, I've been talking to Mr. Megan, R.K. Megan Sanayama. He's now come into mainstream. And again, very educated. I may not have to agree with everything he does, but I can definitely understand that his commitment, his passion for what he thinks is right for the Maitai people is something that we should hear. So our job should be not to judge people. Our job should be to understand where they're coming from.
So stick to your words. As you said, you are not going to judge people. Don't judge me also. मैंने एक वो सीख के आया हूँ बहुत सारे लोगों से पूछ के, पता नहीं एक्सेंट या फिर अगर कुछ गलत हो जाए तो लोग
दिखाना मुझे क्या है?
माफ करेंगे।
कुछ गलत बात है तो कैमरा में आ
नहीं
जाएगा,
नहीं, मैं पहले बोल देता हूँ। बुबाग्रा नंग अनो बहाई खे गुनांग उंग नाई की सा चुबागरी।
इसको आपको एडिट करना पड़ेगा यार, दिस इज टोटली रॉन्ग। यू वांट टू लर्न अ वर्ड इन कॉकबरॉक?
या
अंग नोनो हम जागो।
हम नोनो
अंग
हंग नोनो
अंग
हंग
ANG
अंग
अंग नोनो
अंग नोनो
हम जागो।
हम जागो।
You say this to the camera.
अंग नोनो हम जागो। प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा ये क्या है और हम इसको रखेंगे। मैं फिर भी क्रॉस चेक करवाऊंगा किसी से कि ये क्या था।
अगर
नंग अनो
अगर आपको अमीर बनना है, आदमी अमीर
दिल से,
सिर्फ पैसा से नहीं होता,
वही बोल, दिल से अमीर बनना
सोच से बनता है। तो जैसे आदमी कमजोर या ताकतवर सोच से बनता है। एंड बिलीव मी, योर थिंकिंग विल टेक यू miles ahead. And my only advice to you, because you've said repeatedly that you're a young man, is when you are powerful, be humble. And when you're weak, be strong. That is my philosophy of life. When you feel that you are being pushed to a corner, fight with strength and conviction. And when you have everything, be humble. Because one day this money will go, and what you will need is friends, and you will not have genuine friends if you are arrogant and indifferent towards them.
Was the podcast worth your time?
You tell me if it was worth your time. It was definitely worth my time.
क्या ये पॉडकास्ट देखने के बाद आपके दोस्त कॉनराड सागमा जी हमको थोड़ा टाइम देंगे?
ये आपको उनसे पूछना पड़ेगा।
मैं सोचा आपके थ्रू।
But don't ask him to play the guitar. Conrad, I'll tell you, he's a very intelligent person. दिल का बहुत बड़ा है.
Very down to earth.
Very down to earth, approachable.
Very approachable, yes.
And someone who's willing to learn. So he's a really cool person. I know you'd ask Daniel that if he's cool or I'm cool. उसमें भी आप लगा रहे थे. लेकिन I'll tell you something. I'll talk to Conrad, but then I'm sure he will meet you. He's very busy. He runs the entire state.
True.
But when you meet him, you will realize he's one of the most approachable chief minister.
He replied to my text.
He'll reply to your text. He's one of the most approachable chief ministers in the country.
Any message to the people of the Tiprasa people of Bangladesh who follow you?
Why only Tiprasa? The indigenous people, the Hindu Bengalis of.
They also follow you like anything.
In fact, I think sometimes I'm more liked by the Hindu Bengalis in Bangladesh rather than in Tripura, because there's a lot of media which is against me.
Yeah.
But there are Chakmas, there are Khasis, there are Garos, there are Tiprasas, there are Kukis, there are Maiteis, there are Khasis. All I want to say is that Bangladesh हमारा था. At least parts of Bangladesh हमारा था. हमारा आज नहीं है. लेकिन if the government of India understands your pain and your condition right now, where you're not allowed to worship your gods, whether it is Jesus, whether it is Buddha, whether it is Bhagwan, if your homes are vandalized, if you're being forced, I know what you're going through. मैं जानता हूँ कि आपके अंदर आपके संग क्या हो रहा है. और समय का खेल है. एक ना एक दिन वो हिस्सा जो हमारा था वापस हमारे पास आएगा, और उसको मैं ग्रेटर तिपरा लैंड बोलूँगा.
Thank you so much for your time, and I hope this was worth your time. And I know you have been very tired, and हमने बहुत सारा टाइम ले लिया आपका. But honestly मैं बोलूँ तो I thought कि आज अगर टाइम मिला है तो आज ही कर लेते हैं. Next कब आपसे मुलाकात होगी we don't know because of your schedule, and I wish you all the very best for
Did you enjoy the interview or not?
I did, obviously. You should ask my team member.
He got emotional, you know. Yeah, I know. He got emotional. I mean, I was talking, I had a thing, but you got emotional.
थोड़ा इमोशनल होना पड़ता है.
होना चाहिए. This passion is important. And now I see you'll be a good journalist because you have passion in you.
I don't know, but I'll try my best.
Don't let that evaporate.
I'll try my best, and thank you so much. And again, I wish you all the best, and to the upcoming elections also. I hope the mandate comes on your way. Thank you so much.
God willing. God willing.